Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I don't know whether you can hear in the background a lot of rain coming down. Never mind, it's okay, it's nice and relaxing. Okay, so today, I digress, let's get over to the topic of the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's just import random. This is the random module that you need to import. Okay, I'm going to create a function and I'm going to call it random range. Okay, very simple function, random range. Okay, I'm going to create x, which is going to be the variable that will store the random range number in. So I'm going to go random. Oh dear. Random dot rand range. Okay, so we're going to create a random range of numbers. So I'm just going to go from 1 to 6. So we're going to create a random range of numbers from 1 to 6. And now I'm going to create a conditional statement with if. So if x is less than or equal to 3, then the program's got to do something. So we're going to print some information to the user using the print command. So print less than or equal to 3. Okay, and then we're going to put x there. Okay, if it's not, we're going to have to do something else. So we're going to have to bring the else statement in here, else. And we're going to print out some more information for the user to see. Else, well, if it's not less than or equal to 3, it's got to be greater than. Greater than 3. Greater than 3. Let's just put that there, put the x there, and what we're going to do is that's about it. So basically now all I've got to do is to call the function by its name, which is random range. Okay, random range. Then we're just going to save it, and then what we're going to do, we're going to run it. Okay, so run the module. Invalid syntax. Okay, so I've made a little bit of an error there. I didn't say equals. Okay, so save it again and let's run it. Second time lucky. There we go. So we've printed out the random number. So let's have a look. Greater than 3, 5. So the random number was 3 and sorry, greater than 3. Yeah, it was greater than 3 because the random number was 5. Okay, let's try that again. Make sure everything is working correctly. Okay, less than or equal to 3. So the if it's less than or equal to 3, so the random number was 2. Okay, let's do it one last time for the third time. Let's have a look what the output is here. Sorry, there we go. Yeah, less than or equal to 3, so it's obviously less than 3. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.